Hi, families. I wanted to take a quick minute and do a check-in and show you what we are doing in math really quick. So we are working on two different strategies right now that are kind of important for the kids to know. They're going to help them think about numbers in a different way and be better at doing mental math. So the first thing that we are learning about is taking 10 from a number. So for example, if we had the number 14, learning that we could break it up into something like 10 and 4. So that's where we started. And now that we've practiced with that, we're working on making numbers into tens. So we have something like 9 plus 3. And instead of using the traditional methods that we know, we're trying to make the kids better at thinking about mental math. So one thing we're telling them is to look at the number that's greater, the number that has more, and try to get that number to the next closest 10. That would be like a multiple of 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and so on. So 9 is close to 10. How many more? It needs one more, and then it's a 10. I can go next door to my neighbor and take one out. And if I had 3 and I've given one here, then I'm left with 2 on the other side. So now I've broken up 3, my whole, into 2 little parts, 1 and 2. I can now put 9 and 1 together, and that makes 10. And now I can see that I have 10 and 2, and I know from putting together tens and taking them apart that 10 and 2 equals 12. So 9 plus 3 equals 12. And a lot of people will say, oh my gosh, it seems like it's such a hard way to do math. But if you're really thinking about it in their head, what ends up happening is they're saying, oh, 9 is close to 10. So if I took one from 3, that makes 10, and then there's 2 left over, that's 12. Now, it seems simple for a fact like that, but if we looked at something like this, 87 plus 6, let's say, it can actually really be helpful. 87 has 7 ones. So to make the next group of 10, I need 3 more. I'm going to take that from my neighbor. And if I took 3 from 6, I'm left with 3 on the other part. Now I can put 83 and 3 together, and I get 90. That's the next 10. And 90 and 3 equals 93. So that's what we're working on if you're wondering how the kids are doing their math. I hope this helped.